Hello, I'm Shad, Bogany, Chairman of the Texas Association of Realtors. This is the latest edition of the Texas Quarterly Housing Report. In the first quarter 2013, Texas housing market continued to outperform other states with an 18% increase in homes sold and sales prices that continue to climb. Statewide, the median sales price in the first quarter was $158,000, a 7% increase over last year. The average sales price statewide was $204,738, a 7% increase from the first quarter of 2012. Now let's take a look at some of the major housing markets in Texas, starting with my hometown, Houston. The Houston market was similar to statewide trends with sales volumes up 20%. Over last year's median price is up 7%. The average sales price, meanwhile, was up 6%. The months of housing inventory in Houston, an indicator of supply and demand, was down to 3.6 months. The real estate center at Texas A&M says 6.5 months is a balanced market. So this is a clear indicator that the Houston is a seller's market. We see evidence of this every day in Houston with many and other parts of the state, with multiple offers on properties and buyers offering above asking price to get the home that they really want. Let's turn to the live music capital of the world, Austin, Texas. Sales volume in the capital city jumped 23% in the first quarter compared to the same time last year. The median sales price for Austin homes jumped 10% and the average price was up 8%. Housing inventory in Austin was down to 2.6 months compared to 4.3 the year before, proving that Austin continues to be one of the hottest markets in the U.S. In Dallas, home sales in the Dallas area was moving briskly well with 20% increase in sales volume, 8% bump in median price, 6% jump in average price. Months of inventory in Dallas was at a new low, 2.8 months, down from 4.7 months the first quarter in 2012. Now, San Antonio, the Alamo City, has had a healthy increase in first quarter sales volume, up 13% compared to last year. At the same time, the median price increased 3.5% and the average sales price was up 5%. Predictably, San Antonio housing inventory shrunk from 6.7 months the first quarter in 2012 to 5.3 months this year, showing a nice balance between supply and demand. To summarize, these numbers are outstanding, and their relevance is undeniable. As the Texas housing market goes, so goes the Texas economy. And the Texas Realtors play an important role in helping consumers make good housing decisions. Whenever you need accurate housing data or help with advice, pricing, and negotiation, turn to a Texas Realtor. In closing, I'd like to thank the Real Estate Center at Texas A&M for compiling the Texas Quarterly Housing Report. And I invite you to visit the Texas Association Realtor website, texasrealestate.com. On behalf of all the Texas Realtors, I'm Chairman Shad Bogany. And remember, when you have a question about Texas real estate, ask a Texas Realtor.